Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use SPC University website and just make you familiar with all the different features that are on the website. First of all, if you have a customer service question, that's what this box over here is for. We always have somebody available to answer your questions. Even if they're not on, all you need to do is type in a question here and customer service will help you. So we do have customer service issues. If you need any type of assistance with your account, this is where you need to go. All right, first and foremost. Okay. Now, so when you log in, all right, and you come into your back office, this is going to be your back office. You're going to see a button to the side right here. This has your dashboard with all the different features here. Here is the academy. This is where the bulk of the information which you're going to be looking for in the back office. You have your news. This is where we put announcements of different things that are going on, different webinars and things that are coming or events. All right. We have a frequently asked questions section where you can have questions that are frequently asked about SPC University. We have an academy dashboard. This keeps track of all your courses that you've taken, tasks that have been completed, quizzes that you have taken and passed. We have our course section right here. These are all the different courses that we offer. Like right here, this is the unincorporated business organization. When we have our classes, they are posted here. And then a quiz is also accompanied with it as well. All right, so the webinar is here. All of them are recorded, and you can watch them here in the back office as well. Different courses. We have our ultimate status correction. This is what we've been heavy into as of late. As you can see, they're dated. And as we have those webinars, those are recorded as well. Okay. We also have an extensive library, a PDF reading room with all kinds of things on different subjects: credit, criminal, dictionaries, administrative processes, case law, health, negotiable instruments. I'm always constantly adding things like their huge library. We have dictionaries, legal dictionaries, all that you need: Blacks, Ballantines, Bureau, Bouvier's, Webster's, all those dictionaries as well. We also have a template section that I'm adding. My template section, I plan to have just all the different type of forms that you will need for any type of situation, whether it be court cases, foreclosures, criminal cases, anything like that as well. Okay. And we also have download materials. The download materials are everything that we are currently researching and discussing in class on different topics and getting a much more in-depth understanding of public and private and what the law actually says, as opposed to what echo chambers say that the law is. You also have your subscription details are here. If you want to cancel your account or create a new subscription, you can do it here. You can create new subscriptions, and you can also cancel subscriptions right here off the subscription button. Your payment details also, we keep track of those as well. And you have a content management. This is going to be also for the, we have an affiliate portion of this. And I haven't pushed the green button on it yet, so I'm not going to talk about that now, but that is something that is a part of this as well, where we do a revenue sharing. It is a revenue sharing option that we have. Additional things that you can buy through shopping. If we're offering something for sale, it's available here. And you also have a replicating website as well that you can add to when you are doing your affiliate and you're going to be referring people. There's also an interdepartment mailbox. If you need to send me a message, you can send a message to the admin, but you can also send messages to other individuals as well. All right. So we have a mail section. You do not have to mail me if you're a member of SPC University. Okay. And that is pretty much it. It's a pretty simple website to navigate through. A lot of features here, and there's a wealth and abundance of information here as well on this particular site. So make sure you come. You may want to join and check out our website at SPC University. It is growing every day. And you may want to get and be a part of this, because not only do we teach you what the law says, how to put your business together, but we are going to also help you make some money as well. Okay? Hope this helps.